Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. An Aura frame is designed to make photo sharing effortless, automatically displaying new memories as they are added. However, if your Aura frame stops auto-adding photos, newly uploaded pictures may not appear when expected. This can happen because of sync settings, account permissions, network interruptions, or app-related issues that prevent the Aura frame from updating properly. The good thing is that most photo syncing problems can be checked and corrected in just a few minutes. In this video, we'll go through several simple steps that may help your Aura frame start receiving photos automatically again. Try these. Step 1. Check the Wi-Fi connection on the Aura frame. Step 2. Open the app linked to the Aura frame. Step 3. Verify photo sharing settings for the Aura frame. Step 4. Refresh the account connected to the Aura frame. Step 5. Restart the Aura frame completely. Step 6. Test photo syncing on the Aura frame again.